In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a climate graph using Google Sheets. To get started, make sure your data is organized clearly in 3 columns. In column A, list the months from January through December. In column B, enter the average temperature values, using either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit, depending on your dataset. In column C, enter the average precipitation amounts, using millimeters or inches. Keeping the data tidy and labeled properly will make the chart much easier to build and read. Once your table is ready, highlight the entire data range, including the column headers. From A1 to C13, this is important because Google Sheets uses those headers to identify each data series correctly in the chart. Next, go to the top menu. Click Insert and then choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically. And you'll also see the chart editor open on the right side of the screen. This panel is where you'll make all the key adjustments to turn a basic chart into a proper climate graph. Under the Setup tab in the chart editor, click the Chart Type drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Combo Chart and select it. A combo chart is ideal here because it allows you to show temperature and precipitation in different visual styles on the same graph. After that, switch to the Customize tab at the top of the chart editor. Open the Series section. In the drop-down that says Apply to All Series, choose your precipitation series first. Change its type to bars or columns, and set the color to blue. Then find the Axis option and change it from left axis to right axis. This separates precipitation onto its own scale, which helps avoid distortion when the rainfall values are much larger than the temperature values. Now return to the Series drop-down and select your temperature series. Make sure its type is set to line. Change the color to red and keep it mapped to the left axis. This creates the classic climate graph format, with precipitation shown as bars and temperature shown as a line. To make the graph easier to understand, open the Chart and Axis Titles section in the Customize tab. Add a descriptive chart title that matches your dataset. Then change the title selector from Chart Title to Left Vertical Axis and enter Temperature with the correct unit. After that, switch to Right Vertical Axis and enter Precipitation with its correct unit. Finally, expand the vertical axis for the right side and set the minimum value to 0. This ensures the precipitation bars begin at the baseline, which makes the graph more accurate and easier to interpret. Once that's done, your climate graph is complete and ready to use.